Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautostore.com and kingstonpowdercoating.com. I'd like to share with you another update. These are the wheels for the 1933 Ford truck. In an earlier video when our camera person was away, we shared with you a video of with these steel wheels sandblasted, stripped, and hand sanded to bare metal. And then we have this factory correct creamy yellow color, and they're now powder coated. So here's one, basically it just came out of the oven roughly an hour ago, and then to give you the idea or the contrast, once we have, it'll look completely different once we have the center hubcap on and the tires. So we'll probably shoot another video later on to share with you what they look like. And this is our natural light flashlight that shows the actual sunlight. So you can see it's a very nice color. I think it's the correct Ford color. Sometimes it's difficult to match the powder coating paint, but in this application, the kind of a washed out yellow or more of a creamy yellow, and then hopefully that shows up quite well. So it's going to be obviously a lot more durable, as I mentioned in an earlier video. When if we were to paint these wheels, it would be incredibly big pain, because you can see all of the bases, the spokes, and to get your fingers in there to hand sand each individual spoke and to get in between, and then you're spraying, like once it's sandblasted. And that's why the wheels look so terrible before, is because somebody just they did it all by hand, and there were so many chips and scrapes, and it was right down to metal, and it was quite rusty in numerous locations. So by doing it this way, with this much more durable finish of the powder coating, it's going to make it much more durable. And but the process of going from epoxy primer, gray primer, sanding it all the way to 400 grit, and then painting, it would be an incredible amount of hours. It was still a crazy number of hours to prepare it for the powder coating, but then once it's all prepared and preheated, we were able to bake, and you can see there's 3 more down on the ground there. So we have 5 total. We have 4 for the actual truck, and then 1 is the spare wheel. And then you can see we've also done the back, where we have the back plate that attaches to the drum in the back of the rim, because it's very important that all gets protected, and then it'll be bolted on after that. So what we'll do is we'll share with you another video once we have the tubes and tires back on. We'll probably do that tomorrow. We'll install the tubes and tires, and then we'll show what they look like, and then we'll set them on the frame. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from kingstonpowdercoating.com and lastchanceautostore.com. Thanks for watching.